This is OnePlus Pad, and today I will show how you can add an event to calendar on this device. So to start, you will need to launch the calendar app, then select the date you would like to set your event on. So let's say I'll go with 6th of July. Then tap at this plus icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, choose an event option from the list, and then fill out all the event details such as its name, the time frames, you can change the date as well, the time zone, repetitiveness, you can make this event a reoccurring occurrence if that makes sense. You can invite some other people, thus participants, add the link to the video conference, set location, set the reminder or notifications for this event, so making extra sure you will not forget about it or miss it. Then you can pick the color that it will have inside the calendar, write a description or attach the file. Then save the event once you are ready. And that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.